Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a packaging slime. Let's get the thumbnail. That was a great thumbnail. Today we're going to package this slime in these small containers. So these two are only going to come in small. If I have any leftover slime, then I'm going to make it in a large, or if it doesn't work then I'll put it in a medium. But yeah, so this one is called Winter Wonderland because it's very pastel blue, but you guys see that it kind of looks like it's green in a way, like a little bit lighter than a blue, but no guys, it is a beautiful color. It is so stretchy, and foam is like my favorite. Beads don't fall out unless you go and rip it apart, but I don't think you guys would do that. So I'm coming out with new slimes. So I'm getting some Christmas tree slimes, some gingerbread slimes, some candy cane slimes. They're gonna be so amazing. Probably only get any time to package one more, maybe one or two more. Yeah, one more. Okay, guys. So I think this is really nice. So I got 4 in stock. 4 in stock of Winter Wonderland. So if you want to see the feeling of this one. It's glossy. It's not my cereal milk slime. It's very runny, like it's meant to feel like this. It's the type of glue I use, so I think I'm going to start making cereal milk with the glue that I bought. It's Bostix glue. And if you want to start using Bostix glue, it doesn't work with borax, it only works with cold powder, and I'll show you my Bostix glue in a sec. Okay, so this is my Bostix glue. So probably make a video of me making them. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you comment some slime ideas and video ideas. Bye!